Hello, good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Guys, today I'm just ignore the background because I'm at my village today right now. Guys, today I'm going to share you some openings around 13 to 14 companies opening. Some of them, most of them precious, and some of them also experience as well, because experienced candidates also all our subscribers, they recently joined our channel. So I bring the some openings for experience as well. So no issue. Let's start the with the company names and email IDs. So the first company name is First Kali. They are hiring for automation test engineer, and the job location will be Pune and Bangalore. So they are expecting experience 1 to 3 years. Notice period will immediate to 60 days. So maximum 60 days means 2 months they can wait for you. If you are fulfill this criteria, or if you are eligible for this, you need to share your resume on komal@firstkali.com. Correct email ID and correct spelling you can see here on the screen. Okay, let's move on the next company. The next company name is RTC Technologies is hiring for a quality engineer. The job role is quality engineer. As quality engineer job role is very important while you sending the resume to the recruiter. It should be mentioned in your subject line, every subject line. Job location will be Bangalore. The work mode will be hybrid mode, and experience they are expecting 1 to 6 years. If you are eligible for this and if you are interested for this position, you need to share your resume on Aishwaryat at rtctech.com. You can correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay, guys, just check letter by letter spelling before sending the resume. It will avoid to you bounce back your email. Okay, just double check and cross check the spelling. Okay, the next company name is Mahindra. They are hiring for automation engineer. Job location will be Bangalore. Work time will be 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. and it will be free cab for you. Experience they are expecting 2+ years. Mandatory skills are manual testing, database testing, and automation testing. Manual testing they are hiring. Manual testing they are also hiring, and automation testing are hiring. Manual testing there is no position. Freshers also can apply here, but automation testing minimum 1 year experience are mandatory. They are expecting for Java, Cucumber, Selenium, BDD. Job location I told you the Bangalore. If you are fulfill this criteria, or if you are eligible and if you are interested, you need to share your resume on sing.dheeraj4@mahindra.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay, guys, let's move on the next company. The next company name is Kelded Infotech is hiring for QA position. So the position is very important, guys. I'm again telling you while you sending the resume to the HR, because the HR getting very emails, in internal emails, their recruiter emails, their employees emails. So if he or she wants to find some in their email box, they have some keywords like a QA position, or if they are searching for the any internal email, they will find out with that particular employee name or employee email ID. So if you are the unknown, guys, for that recruiter, so the position is important while you sending the resume to the HR. So please note that. If you are interested, you need to share your resume at asifa.pathan@keldedinfotech.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay, let's move on the next company. The next company name is Mobile Programming India Private Limited is hiring for a below position. The position name is Automation QA / Bangalore. It should be mentioned in your subject line. Okay, the subject line should be Automation QA - Bangalore, and after that your name and resume, like that. Okay, the job location will be Bangalore, and it will be the work from office only. Immediate joiners, or maximum 15 days notice period they can wait for you. If you are interested for this position, you need to share your resume on anuj.kumar@mobileprogramming.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay, guys, let's move on the next company. The next company name is Hike QA Technologies, hiring for QA manual. The position name is QA manual. Please note that. API plus database testing. Experience, they are expecting 0.6 months to 2 years. Job location will be Indore. The strong knowledge of QA methodologies, tools and processes. Experience in writing clear and test cases, test plans. Hands-on experience in both white box and black box testing. Required skills are manual testing, API testing, database testing and agile methodology. If you are interested and eligible for this position, you need to share your resume on ritika.vaishit@hikeqa.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay. Let's move on the next company, NCR. NCR Corporation is hiring for quality engineer. The position name is quality engineer and it should be mentioned in your subject line. So quality engineer for experience 2 to 6 years. Job location will be Hyderabad, and they are hiring manual as well as automation, but they are not mentioned the exact figure how much for manual and how much for automation. So just mention the quality engineer in your subject line if you are applying for the manual or automation, both. So you need to mention the quality engineer word in your subject line. So if you are interested for this position, you need to share your resume on manikant.pedgonda@ncr.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. So let's move on the next company. The next company name is Team Leads. They are hiring for full stack tester, automation as well as manual. Experience 1 to 7 years. Notice period 0 to 15 days. 15 days maximum can wait for you if you are working anywhere. So the job location will be BKC Airoli. It's Mumbai. So most of North candidate will be preferred here, but you can also try, not an issue. Domain, good to have banking domain experience, no investment domain. Okay. Requirements, it's 10. There are the bulk hiring. Requirement are 10 position they are hiring. So please note that. If you are interested and eligible for this position, you need to share your resume on divya.jagatha@teamleads.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay guys, let's move on the next company. Sirjan Spectrum is hiring for below position. Required, they are hiring for automation testing with Java, REST of API, BDD, Cucumber. All are above skills are mandatory. If you are having these skills, you can apply for this position. Experience, they are expecting 2+ years. Job location will be Bangalore, Pune, Mumbai, Hyderabad, and notice period maximum 30 days. Immediate to 30 days. 30 days maximum they can wait for you if you are working. If you are interested for this position and eligible for this position, you need to share your resume on suparna.maharana@surgeonspectrum.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Guys, I'm again repeating you, just check out the letter by letter spelling because my pronunciation maybe got wrong. So it will if you sending the email to the wrong email, you will get the bounce back. So to avoid that, so you need to check the spelling by letter spelling while sending the resume to the HR. Next company, Job Solutions, hiring for the test engineer. The position is test engineer. It's important, it should be mentioned in your subject line. So they are looking for the test engineer experience 1+ years. Job location will be Kochi, and they are also hiring for manual as well as automation testing. Both they are hiring. Okay. Experience in manual and manual and automation testing they are expecting. If you are eligible and interested for this position, you need to share your resume on safety.silpa@jobsolution.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Just double check before sending the resume to the recruiter. Okay, let's move on the next company. Define Labs, they are hiring for Define Labs is currently hiring for below position roles. The role number 1 is Android developer fresher, Java developer fresher, .NET developer freshers as well as experienced. Qualification strictly CS and IT background only. Do not send the resume like you are mechanical engineer. No, no, they are strictly mentioned CS and IT background only. Criteria 60% in overall academic. Freshers must be completed the certification course. If and job location will be Pune, and if you are interested for this position, you need to share your resume on surbi.sirsam@definelabs.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay. Next company, SAP consultant. SAP consultant. They are hiring for SAP position, SAP different position. Because guys, I don't know what is SAP SAP ABPA, SAP Basic, SAP HCM. They are also hiring, because I'm sending this sharing this position because recently our candidate got pinged me on Instagram, and they are looking for a SAP position, so I'm just sharing this SAP position as well. The job location will be Ahmedabad. Experience they are required 2+ years. If you are interested for this position, you need to share your resume on resource@vc.erp.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay guys. Next company, let's move on the next company. The next company's name is Simmons System Private Limited. They are hiring for multiple positions like Android developer 1 to 2 years of experience, full stack developer 3+ years of experience, and quality engineer 0.0 to 3 years of experience. But freshers also can apply here. The quality assurance word should be mentioned in the subject line while you are applying for the quality assurance. If you are applying for the Android version, it should be mentioned in the subject line. Okay, the quality assurance manual as well as automation, 3 openings they are having. So if you are and job location will be Indore. If you are interested for this position, you need to share your resume on hr@simonsis.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay guys. Okay, let's move on the next company. Amla Commerce is hiring for manual testing, manual tester. Manual tester is the role, so it should be mentioned in your subject line while you sending the resume to the recruiter. So experience, freshers to 3 years, means 0 to 3 years of experience they are expecting. A job location will be Nagpur. If you are interested for this position, you need to share your resume on anusri.gatate@amla.io. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay, that's it guys. Around 14 companies opening I shared with you. Still, if you have any doubt in your mind, if you want to ask something to me, you can directly reach out to me on Instagram. My Instagram ID you can see here, or else you can check out the description box. I have shared the link of my account in the description box, so you can check out that and you can reach me on Instagram. And one more request, if you still not join our Telegram channel, you can join the Telegram channel, because most of candidates like you, they are discussing here some questions. If you have they have got to know some openings, so they will post on the Telegram channel, so you can join the Telegram channel. That you can find the Telegram channel as our YouTube name, like Nagarkar YouTuber. You can, or else you can check the description box. You can find the link of our account. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you soon.